Today I have a microphone, and it's the ELGATO Wave 3. Content creators are well aware of the ELGATO brand, which is currently one of the brands that produce the best equipment for YouTubers and professional content creators. I will bring you about this microphone, the unboxing, demonstrations, tests, comparison with other microphones, reviews and opinions to get to know everything about this microphone. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. You can expect a lot of content produced with this new microphone. So let's start by doing a test. Let's put the intensity in the middle at position 4 and let's start a recording using the Audacity software. This is a recording with the ELGATO Wave 3 microphone. Now let's reduce it to the minimum position. Position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4, you hear better, position 5, more intensity, position 6, you hear much louder, almost bursting, and position 7, I'm 2 hands away from the microphone, speaking normally, but at the maximum level. So we can control the intensity we want for the microphone as simple as that. Just connect the microphone to the computer, connect the USB cable to the microphone and choose the microphone in the software you are going to use to record. In this case, the ELGATO Wave 3 microphone. But I'm going to do more demonstrations and audio recording tests with this microphone. So, to compare the quality of 3 microphones, I will start with the microphone on the computer. Let's choose the recording device, computer's microphone. Now, this is a recording with a computer microphone to compare the quality. Now, this is a recording with a smartphone microphone to compare the quality. Now, I changed the recording source to the ELGATO Wave 3 microphone. Now, this is a recording with the ELGATO microphone to compare the quality. So, you heard 3 recordings where I said the same things into 3 different microphones. The computer microphone, the smartphone microphone and the ELGATO Wave 3 microphone. So we can compare the recording quality and if it's that good. This was another video about the microphone ELGATO Wave 3, but there will be more videos about this microphone. I will cover everything about this equipment, from the unboxing, seeing what comes in the box, demonstrating how it works, how to connect, audio quality tests, comparisons with other microphones, review and opinion, to get to know everything about this microphone so you can decide if this is the best microphone for you, because the price is high. And in case you haven't noticed, this video is being recorded with the ELGATO Wave 3. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, hit the like button, and if you have any questions about this microphone, write in the comments.